Welcome to Learning Treasure, your ultimate place to master everyday vocabulary easily. In this video, we explore essential hardware tools you need to know. Hand tools. Tape measure. Tape measure. Hammer. Hammer. Level. Level. Clamp. Clamp. Hacksaw. Hacksaw. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Pliers. Pliers. Wrench. Wrench. Saw. Saw. Hardware tools fastener. Nut. Nut. Screw. Screw. Nail. Nail. Bolt. Bolt. Cutting and shaping tools. Shears. Shears. Cutter, utility knife. Digging and garden tools. Shovel. Shovel. Trowel. Trowel. Rake. Rake. Spade. Spade. Hoe. Hoe. Fork. Fork. Power tools. Drill. Drill. Belt sander. Belt sander. Jigsaw. Jigsaw. Angle grinder. Angle grinder. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, subscribe, like, follow.